new information today. Let's start with the vaccine. If the FDA approves it, the first dose of Jessica would be available in the Bay Area on December 15th.
Raj, that's just 8 days away. Those doses will go straight to hospitals. Governor Newsom said today that the state expects to get 327,000 doses of the Pfizer vaccine. 17,000 of those doses will go to Santa Clara County. The governor also expects to get another 2 million doses before the end of December. That would be a combination of the Moderna and the Pfizer vaccine.
And this all comes as cases continue to climb. Here are the numbers. More than 24,000 new cases confirmed statewide today. In Santa Clara County, a huge jump as well. Look at that, more than 1,400 new cases confirmed. That's close to double last week's daily record.
Right now, 4 Bay Area counties are under a shelter-at-home order. Marin County starts its shelter-at-home order tomorrow at noon. NBC Bay Area's Thom Jensen joins us now to tell us what you can expect from next week's vaccine.
This is what it looks like to prepare for the worst. Richmond's Craneway Pavilion now set up as a makeshift hospital in case area hospitals run out of critical care beds as predicted in the next few weeks. The news from Governor Gavin Newsom that 2 million vaccines could be in the state before the new year is music to the ears of frontline healthcare workers who would see patients here.
We're working on a planning assumption of 2.16 million doses of the vaccine within the calendar month of December.
Newsom said the state is getting its original order of vaccines from Pfizer, about 327,000, as early as next week. And now will add enough from Moderna and other vaccine makers to likely give the needed 2 doses to about half of the state's 2.4 million healthcare workers in the first wave of vaccinations. The chair of UC San Francisco's epidemiology department says the announcement offers new hope to those trying not to burn out on the front lines.
And it's coming at a time, as you mentioned, when hospitals are seeing this massive surge, when healthcare workers really have been on the front lines and dealing with this pandemic for such a long time.
Dr. Kirsten Bibbins Domingo says this number of vaccinations could help address the high exposure and infection rate among the state's frontline medical professionals. And that means fewer first responders lost in illness or quarantine.
This large volume means that we are unlikely to even have to triage among the large healthcare workforce, which is about 2 million in California.
Governor Newsom said on Wednesday he will announce in more detail exactly who will get this first round of vaccinations. In the meantime, the work at these COVID-19 overflow units will continue as county health officials try to make more capacity space available to make room for the cases that they say are ahead from all of the holiday infections. In Richmond, Thom Jensen, NBC Bay Area News.
Tom, thank you. We are breaking